So in this lesson, even though it's quite involved, you will not be doing as much because I did the script. Um, we are going to limit our gun from shooting endlessly. Notice I cannot shoot, and in my case, till I push R, then it reloads. So let's go through what we're going to be doing. First of all, we're going to be changing the script on the game. And just to go through it briefly, even though I'm going to have for you to copy and paste it, you can see where reload time, bullets left, is reloading. So we're getting some variables in there so we can sort of control how fast it reloads, what it does. You can see the bullets left here. In the void awake, we have a shooting mode also. And then we have different things here for dividing to see how many bullets are left. So if I have a magazine size of 6 and I fired 6 bullets, I got nothing left. If I fired 5, I'd have 1 left. So this is an automatic reload. I'm not going to put it in your script. I'd rather us reload it manually. Yeah, so I'm going to have it in there because to get you to type in these, all these also reload completed. But get you to type all that would not be so good. So remember, either I would create a new script and then replace it. So create a new script and replace the one that's on here. Maybe make weapon 1, weapon 2, and then take off the weapon you have and put that on. And let's go through some other stuff we're going to be doing. So we're going to be creating a canvas. And where is this? Oh, UI, Canvas, Text Mesh Pro. So right click UI, Text Mesh Pro. And it's going to look like this. So we're going to click on the text. First of all, the canvas. You're going to come over here and make it, when you click on that canvas, scale with screen size. Scale with screen size. And then the Text Mesh Pro, we're going to drag it down to the right hand corner. So you can use this thing to drag it down. In here, we can also go here and click on this right thing here. While we're on the Text Mesh Pro, it'll put it in the right hand corner. So now we also want to clean it up a little bit. So let's click on it. I don't need that. Okay. I made my, first of all, you're going to type 00 in here while you're still in the Text Mesh Pro. And I made mine bold. Is this centered? Top and centered. So I probably could have hit left, bottom. I probably should have hit bottom. Doesn't matter. I moved it down. And you can fool around with it. You can even move it down further, compress it a little bit, or uncompress it a little bit, etc. So you can actually move it the way you want there. So that's what I did with mine. And remember, you type 00 inside there. Okay? We're going to have to make a change to our script too when we get there. So then we're going to right click and we're going to create an empty, and it's going to be called Ammo Manager. It has to be spelled like that. Has to be spelled like that. And of course, when we do that, that means we're going to create a script. Ammo Manager. So again, both the empty and the script have got to be spelled the same. Make sure you build them inside here. Now this will probably come up and prompt you, and if you right click it'll do it, but if it doesn't, for Text Mesh Pro you need to add this line. We're using Text Mesh Pro for the score for our canvas. You need to have it. So you need to have it. It'll also should prompt you on your weapon. If you click a button, it'll put it on there. If not, you're going to go manually put that inside there. Oh, I guess we don't need it. I moved it to my ammo, so we don't need it. So, but make sure your ammo has that using TextMesh Pro. I recently had this inside the weapon script. So I will put this in Google Classroom, but make sure you have that using TextMesh Pro. You're going to have to add that. It won't add it for you. Okay, so let's go back, and then of course you're going to put the script on the TextMesh Pro ammo manager, and when you do the ammo manager, you're going to drag this here. You're going to drag this here. Okay. Now let's go back to our gun with the new script on it. The new script on it. We got to have some stuff filled in. So I have point 0.3 here. Maybe I might make it point 0.2. Well, and you got to have bullets per burst. I don't care what weapon you have. By the way, we're going to be putting cartoon weapons in. They don't want realistic weapons in. So don't worry about your weapon too much. We're going to be replacing it, or you can replace it with some kind of dummy weapon. As long as it doesn't look realistic. And we'll still keep the same animation on it and everything, but we're not going to have a gun. So anyway, I'm doing a single shot no matter what I use. And bullets left, I just put one inside. I got to have something inside there. Spread intensity, how much it spreads around. I have 0.5. If you shot something like a shotgun or something, or multiple bursts, you may want to spread that some. Of course, we have the bullet prefab here and the bullet spawn, both dragged in. My velocity is 500. It might be too much, but I like it. Prefab lifetime, so the bullet's going to last for 3 seconds, then it's going to be gone. We drag our muzzle effect in, just like before. It should already be inside here. And then the magazine size. So reload time and magazine size. So that means I got to wait. This may be too fast. So let's play this thing. So if I hit R, yeah, I gotta wait. That's realistic. Like 2 seconds may be better. So realistic shooting thing, if you're really shooting game, you can't just keep shooting forever, and you can't reload in a couple seconds either. So maybe should make that 2.5. And I don't care what magazine size you use, as long as you're there. So you're gonna fill these out, save a new scene, and we should be good. So I'll have the new script up for the weapon. I'll have the script up for the ammo manager, and you can copy and paste those. Remember, replace your other weapon script with the script I give you. So mine's weapon 1, but I still have like a weapon reload, weapon prefab. So create a new script, put it on there, and then make sure when you go to your game, you get the new script, remove the other one and get the new script. And you should be able to shoot with whatever magazine you have, size you choose here, and then you're going to have to hit R to reload, and you're going to have to wait a couple seconds. And find yourself a toy gun. I'll be posting some stuff up in Google Classroom.